Welcome to Motors Sports Mania, your go-to channel for in-depth automotive reviews, the latest car features, and expert insights. Today, we bring you a detailed look at the 2025 Volkswagen Passat, covering everything from its design and performance to its tech features and safety systems. If you're considering this sedan, stay tuned for a comprehensive breakdown of what it has to offer. Starting with the design, the 2025 Volkswagen Passat has undergone some notable changes to keep up with modern styling trends. The exterior features a more refined and aerodynamic look with a sleek front grille, sharper LED headlights, and a sculpted body that enhances its premium appeal. The longer wheelbase ensures a spacious cabin, making it an excellent choice for families or those who prioritize comfort on long drives. The rear end sports a more aggressive bumper design, stylish LED taillights, and subtle chrome accents, giving it a sophisticated yet sporty character. The alloy wheels come in multiple design options, adding to its aesthetic appeal. Under the hood, Volkswagen offers a range of powertrains to suit different driving needs. The base model is equipped with a turbocharged 4-cylinder engine that delivers a balanced combination of power and efficiency. For those seeking more performance, there is a plug-in hybrid variant that enhances fuel economy while maintaining a respectable power output. The top-tier models feature a more powerful engine option, providing a sportier driving experience. The transmission system is smooth and responsive, ensuring a refined drive whether you are cruising on the highway or navigating through city traffic. The handling has also been fine-tuned, offering a well-balanced ride with improved suspension for enhanced comfort and stability. Inside the cabin, Volkswagen has elevated the Passat's interior to a new level of sophistication. The materials used throughout the interior feel premium, with soft touch surfaces, leather upholstery, and high-quality trim elements. The dashboard layout is modern and intuitive, featuring a large digital instrument cluster and an advanced infotainment system. The touchscreen display is user-friendly, offering seamless smartphone integration, navigation, and voice control functionality. Wireless charging, multiple USB-C ports, and a premium sound system ensure a tech-savvy experience for drivers and passengers alike. The seats are designed for maximum comfort, with excellent support and available heating, ventilation, and massage functions in higher trims. Rear seat passengers benefit from ample legroom, making long journeys comfortable for everyone on board. Volkswagen has also packed the 2025 Passat with a host of advanced safety and driver assistance features. Standard across all trims are adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring. Higher trims come with additional features such as a 360-degree camera system, traffic sign recognition, and semi-autonomous driving capabilities for added convenience and security. These systems work together to enhance overall driving confidence and reduce the chances of accidents on the road. When it comes to cargo space, the 2025 Passat excels in practicality. The trunk offers ample storage capacity, making it suitable for daily commutes, road trips, and even larger luggage loads. The rear seats can be folded down to expand the cargo area further, providing versatility for different storage needs. Fuel efficiency is another strong point of the new Passat. The base turbocharged engine provides impressive mileage figures, making it a great choice for those who want a balance between performance and economy. The hybrid variant further improves fuel consumption, offering an eco-friendly alternative for those looking to reduce their carbon footprint. With Volkswagen's focus on sustainability, the plug-in hybrid model also allows for short electric-only drives, making it ideal for urban environments. On the road, the 2025 Passat delivers a composed and comfortable driving experience. The suspension absorbs bumps effortlessly, ensuring a smooth ride over different road surfaces. Steering response is precise, making maneuvering easy even in tighter city spaces. The refined engine lineup ensures that acceleration is smooth and responsive, allowing for an enjoyable driving experience whether you're on a daily commute or a long-distance journey. Noise insulation has also been improved, keeping the cabin quiet even at higher speeds. Technology plays a major role in enhancing the driving experience of the new Passat. The infotainment system is equipped with the latest software updates, ensuring seamless connectivity and smooth operation. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, allowing easy access to smartphone apps. The voice assistant feature makes it convenient to control various functions without taking your hands off the wheel. In some trims, Volkswagen has included a heads-up display, which projects important driving information onto the windshield for added convenience. Volkswagen continues to focus on reliability and durability, and the 2025 Passat reflects this commitment with high-quality construction and advanced engineering. Routine maintenance is expected to be straightforward, and the brand offers a comprehensive warranty to provide peace of mind to owners. Overall, the 2025 Volkswagen Passat stands out as a well-rounded sedan that combines style, comfort, technology, and efficiency. Whether you are looking for a family-friendly car, a reliable daily driver, or a sedan with modern tech and safety features, this model checks all the right boxes. The refined exterior, spacious interior, advanced safety features, and smooth performance make it a strong contender in its segment. With multiple engine options, including a fuel-efficient hybrid, it caters to a wide range of drivers. That wraps up our in-depth review of the 2025 Volkswagen Passat. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Motors Sports Mania for more detailed car reviews, latest automotive news, and in-depth comparisons. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and we'll see you in the next video.